How to fix the Facebook featured photos not appearing. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I will show you how you can solve this certain problem of yours. So the very first thing is make sure that you have installed the latest version of Facebook on your device. If you have already installed, then open your Facebook and log into your Facebook account. After you log into your Facebook account and tap on your profile, and you find that your featured collection is no more visible on your account, then how do you solve this? In my case, I haven't any stories posted, so the featured collection is also I've not posted any, that's why it's not showing. But your problem might be this. Tap on the three horizontal dots right there and you will see the option of turn on professional mode. When you turn the professional mode, then the featured collection you have on your Facebook account will be disappeared. So the only thing that you can do to save this is, if you have the professional mode on your account, then tap on the three vertical lines and turn off the professional mode that you have turned on before. By doing this, the featured collection will again be visible on your account. And that's how you solve this problem right here. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, comment and subscribe our video.